Have you ever seen a scarlet macaw parrot take flight? Have you ever wondered what it would be like to own a scarlet macaw parrot? It's a sight that will take your breath away. Scarlet macaw parrots have captivated people for centuries with their mysterious beauty. They have bright feathers of red, yellow, and blue that make them an eye-catching sight. Their strong beaks and powerful claws can also be admired. These parrots are intelligent and have the ability to learn new behaviors and tricks, which makes them a joy to watch. Additionally, they can live for up to 50 years, allowing people to form a bond with them over many years. Scarlet macaw parrots are also quite social and can form long-lasting bonds with their owners. They are also very loyal, and will often stay close by, making them great companions. They are also quite vocal, and can make a variety of sounds, which makes them unique and fun to be around. All of these factors make these birds highly sought after by bird lovers who are looking for a pet that is both beautiful and intelligent. The mysterious beauty of the scarlet macaw parrot is something that has captivated people for centuries. With their bright feathers, powerful beaks, and intelligence, they make wonderful pets that can be enjoyed for many years. They are also quite social and loyal, making them great companions. These birds are sure to bring a lifetime of joy and fascination to any home.